Assalamualaikum. Today we continue with chapter 2, vector algebra. First, introduction. Scalar is a physical quantities that have only magnitude. So example, speed, area, volume and temperature. And then vector is a physical quantities that have both magnitude and direction. Example, velocity, acceleration and force. Notation for vector is we bold A or vector A. So this is the notation, we bold A or vector A. We have arrow or vector AB, or you can use AI plus BJ, or in the form of matrix, or in the form of interval. Next, magnitude or length of a vector. Okay, let's say V, vector V is equals to AB. Then magnitude V we written as modulus of vector V, and the formula is square root A square plus B square. So magnitude is the modulus of the vector. Next, 2 and 3-dimensional vectors can be interpreted geometrically as points in a plane or in a space. So a directed line represents a vector is like this. A is the initial point to B. B is terminal point. Equal vector, so you have same magnitude and same direction, depends on initial point. So for vector A and B, you have the same initial point here. Usually we write down is as O, origin. So this one also origin. So this is the initial point. Okay, negative vectors. Okay, a vector direction opposite to the original vector. So A is down to up. So negative A is up, down. Next, unit vector V is a vector that has length 1. So to find length, you have to use modulus. So for this one, modulus V is equals to 1. And then 0 vector is 0 magnitude. Okay, direction of a vector, we have to find theta. So theta in radians, and theta must be between 0 to 2 pi. And to find theta, you have to use tan theta equals to BA. So let's say vector V equals to AI plus VJ. So B and A here using this one. This A and B. And then find theta. Okay, vector addition, you have two methods, triangular law. For this triangular law, terminal point of A here will become initial point for vector B. So to get A plus B, so from A to B, you will get A plus B. And B parallelogram law, this one is you have to use same initial point. So our initial point is here. So to find C, A plus also plus B. See, because this one equal to this one. And then vector subtraction. Okay, as you can see, B in here, this one, the direction is opposite of B in here. So to find C, A, you must plus with negative B, because the direction for B is this one, right to left, but for here, left to right. So you have to minus B. Okay, multiplication of vector by scalar. So you can take out the k. And this is will be equal. Okay, loss of vector, you can read this one. Next is parallel vectors. So vector A and B parallel if A equals to KB. So this is how you can check it is parallel. And non-parallel vectors, okay, you have A, PA plus QB equals to 0 if and only if P equals to 0 and Q equals to 0. So for B, you can compare PA plus QB equals to RA plus SB. So you can compare P equals to R and Q equals to S. Okay, this is the exercise. And thank you.